Another Zaffle jacket. Yeah, I have the same shirt on because I am recording this right after I filmed a sponge cleaning video. This is so cute. These are my favorite colors. Just a little wispy. Just pull down a little wispy. Hey girls, today we have a haul, a cheap haul. I'm going to show you what I've got right now. Okay. I'm on my way to the dentist. He's got to put a crown on something I had a root canal on, and I need 2 more teeth pulled. I had 2 pulled down here, and I need 2 pulled here and here. Do you believe that? I know I take such good care of my teeth. And even though I have crowns, they're porcelain zirconia crowns. I selected each one carefully. Of course, I'm neurotic. And the only reason I started having crowns is because I got all that mercury, that silver stuff they used to put in our teeth. I had that removed and my teeth were falling apart. So they started putting crowns on the bottom, and then I liked them and I said, oh, it doesn't match the top, so I got the top. So anyway, if you want to know more about that, let me know. Let me show you the cutest, cute. Okay, let's start with this. Just a couple of dollars. I mean, everything's under $5, maybe $2.50. I don't remember now, but look at this. 4 adorable chiseled sponges. There's a flat side on each one of them. Look at that. Oh, with a little case. Then we have this one. This is part silicone. It says that it's silicone in there. So that part is antibacterial and will not absorb your foundation the way a regular sponge does. Then we have this one. This is silicone up here and regular sponge there. Oh, so cute. Oh, and then I got this one. I thought this was so pretty. Ooh. Oh, and then this one, which is like an ombre. Then I got a bag of these beauty puffs. Girls, if you haven't tried these, this is really cheap, really nice, and you could just put everything on with this. And look how many. I mean, this was just a couple of dollars. I'm telling you, just a couple. After that, I got, I think these are 10 Emery boards. These are the nice thick ones. I do my toes with this. I clean off my nail polish on the side. You need a really strong one. This is not to file your nails. This is to clean off the sides or do your toes. Okay. So here you have a clear little container. But up here, you have a squishy stuff. Okay, so this is what you do. You say you want a French manicure, so you polish, you put your polish up there. Now you take your finger and you just go in and out, and there is your French tip. It's supposed to come out perfect. I am going to try this for you in a video. Look at that. It's just got a squishy ball of, it's kind of like a, I don't know what it's made of. Like, oh, here it is. Okay, so it's just a squishy piece of something. I don't know, silicone, rubber, fit it in there, polish the top, and you put your tip in. Oh, great idea. Great idea. Next we have VAMP, the VAMP stamp. This was so cheap on the SHEIN website. I remember this product was much more money. So it's got a triangle silicone there and a larger triangle silicone shape there. And you're supposed to put your eyeliner on, and then you stamp it. I'll use this in my next Get Ready With Me, okay? Va-Va-Voom wing stamp. Then I got 4 more rings. This navy with the gold and the red. This yellow with the pink and the gold. Oh, that is so cute. This green with the gold. And this purple. This takes the cake. This is by sheglam. It's on the SHEIN website. They have their own cosmetics called sheglam. And wait till you see this. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little iron. It's a little iron. And you know what you use it for? No, you go pull it out, and it's a brush. Look at that brush. And you put your makeup on with it. Now let's see, I could, perfect size, perfect shape, contour. Isn't that not adorable? All right, so my next Get Ready With Me, I will use this and this. I'll put it right here. Put a little iron right there. So you can see the iron and it's standing up, ready to iron. I love this. This is sheglam. It's a quick refresh brush spray cleaner. Woo, pink. So cute. Oh. It is a brush cleaner. So what I would do is, you see? Let that soak in, and then just wipe it. And you clean your brush. It's very cute. It's very handy. When I'm up here, I'm not near a sink. Sink is downstairs, so I will keep this up here. Wow. Adorbs. Adorable. And I got this soft makeup sponges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 makeup sponges. Look at that. And they're soft. And they're small. And they were a couple of dollars. That's it. Adorable. Adorable. Oh, I can't say it enough. They're just so cute. So, oh, one more thing. SHEIN. Oh, and then I did get this. I forget where I got this. Maybe on their website too. I'm not sure. But when I straighten my hair with my straightening brush, I have to wear a glove on my left hand because the heat just kills it. You know, I mean, I could burn my hand. So I only use it on one hand when I'm doing the brush. And then I go like this, and I'm holding my hair. And after I run the electric brush down, the hair gets very hot. That's why I need a heat protective glove. So that's it. That's it, and I will see you in my next video. That is my SHEIN haul. I'm always getting something from SHEIN. I've got so many things to show you, and I'm just so happy you're here. My new subscribers, thank you for coming by, and I hope you enjoy, and have a great week, a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you.